And we're still talking about the romance of Magno Rubio, pero patalastas lang po, commercial break. You know, I'm so happy that I have loyal and very dedicated Kababayan viewers. I got a message from one viewer last Thursday kasi sinabi ni Eric, ang asarol pala, sabi nila is rake, because I didn't know what that meant, asarol.
I don't either.
Ang sabi nung viewer, hindi raw, parang it's a hoe.
A hoe, okay.
A hoe.
Yeah.
So, iba naman yung hoe sa rake. So, asarol is a hoe. But we're talking to you, you know, as a certified clinical hypnotherapist and a spiritual psychologist. It must be really, it takes dedication and commitment to get into something like this.
Oh, yeah.
Because you rehearse. How many shows do you have every week?
As in Tagalog, it's 2 shows every Saturday, and along with the choral part, I'm in the background, the chorus, that's Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. So a total of 5 shows every week.
So that takes your time away from, you know, things that you can, you know, help you with your means of livelihood and all
Especially
that, right?
during the rehearsal process, because we rehearse 6 days a week.
Especially if it's in Tagalog, and it's not conversational Tagalog, so they're deep words.
Right.
Mahirap intindihin, nakakabulol.
Nakakabulol talaga, and especially during the process of learning them, my challenge was first the pronunciation. And then once I got the pronunciation down, it was trying to figure out, okay, what does this mean exactly? And like there's this one part towards the end, and the thing is, nakapag-ipon ka ba ng sapat na pera para sa biglaang pangangailangan tulad nito?
Yeah.
Is nakakabulol if you're not familiar with speaking that language and that fast, because you know normally you would say it in about that rate of speed.
So when you talk about learning, aside from learning these words and aside from learning you know, deeper appreciation for Filipino language, what did you learn about yourself as a Filipino, or what did you learn about Filipinos through this?
Well, coming into this, I had no idea the history of Magno Rubio, the play, first of all. And then coming into rehearsals, I found out the history of what I would consider the first OFWs in the 1920s. I grew up here, but I had no idea that that's the kind of history that we had, that they went through those kinds of struggles, that kind of racism, that no dogs and Filipinos allowed signs, positively no Filipinos allowed signs, and the killings and all of that. I did not know that happened.
And so I came out of the play, and I'm sure you will too, when you do watch the play, feeling empowered, feeling very humbled, feeling appreciative of what, you know, our forefathers did for us here, because of them they paved the way. And in, you know, Thanksgiving is on Thursday. I think that's what we need to be thankful for, that people paved the way for us to be here. There is a promo on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's Thanksgiving weekend. That's the information on the screen. It's about $20, and you get a 3-course dinner also before the play. So you're also going to be working on Thanksgiving weekend.
Right, Thanksgiving weekend. Originally in the schedule, they had us performing on Thanksgiving Day, and it turned out it was a mistake.
All right, so Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
And please, because the English side has been getting tremendous press and excellent reviews. The Tagalog has not been getting a lot of reviews, so we need people to come and see the show and talk about it.
Right. That's the website, I mean, that's the phone number on the screen if you want to get your tickets. They are giving our Kababayan viewers some discount, I think 10% off on adult tickets. That's the information on the screen. Once again, promo code is Kababayan if you want to get your 10% off on adult tickets. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
More power to you. Thank you for joining us. Ito naman po, hayaan nating haranahin tayo ng romansa ni Magno Rubio. Enjoy this one. I'll see you next time.
Ikaw ang aking panaginip. Ikaw ang tibok ng dibdib. Pusong umiibig, dinggit umaawit, tinatagoy ay pag-ibig.